This viral AI object talking videos is going viral online. I'll be showing you how you can create it for free with just simple steps. First of all, click on the follow button to follow me and then come to your ChatGPT. Then click on explore GPTs. Then search for object talk. As you can see on these categories, you have object talks. Different kinds of object talks are here. You want to click on this one you are seeing here. Then click on start chat. Don't worry, this is the same process on mobile phones. You can do this on mobile phone, you can do this on the web version. Let's say we want to create it for orange. Click on generate. As you can see here, this generates the text to image prompt, and this is also the small script that you copy, and also it gives you related object characters that you can also use. As you can see here, we have banana, we have apple, we have strawberries, we have lemon, so it gives you other variety on what you can create next. Let's say we copy the orange. Now the next thing we want to do is to create our image. Don't worry, it's not hard to create image. You can use Leonardo AI, you can use LM Arena, you can also use Google Gemini to create your image. So for today's video, I'll be using Leonardo AI. Click to copy your prompt on the Leonardo AI. If you are going to be using Leonardo AI as me, so the next thing you want to do is to click on the image and then come here and select Nano Banana Pro. As you can see here, Nano Banana Pro. So click here to select the Nano Banana Pro model. Make sure you set your aspect ratio to 2:3. That is for reals. The next thing you want to do is to just paste your prompts that you copied from ChatGPT. Click on generate. As you can see, our AI image is generating, so let's wait for the result. Now this is our result for our AI image. Can you see how realistic this looks? So what you want to do is to download the image. So click here to download the image. The next thing you want to do is to make it talk. Come to this platform flow.ai. Make sure you log in and then click new project. So the next thing you want to do is to come down here and select on frame to video. Select frame to video. So when you select frame to video, so upload the image that we generated. As you can see, this is our image, and then come down here and change your aspect ratio to portrait. When you are done with that, click on crop and save. Yes, as you can see, our image has been highlighted here, which means it is ready to be generated. So you want to go and copy that script that ChatGPT gives to you. So come back here and copy the script. As you can see, I look sweet, but I'm not just sugar and vibes. You just copy the 10-second script it gives to you. Come back to Flow AI and then paste it here. So for me, what I usually do is there's this prompt secret I do usually do to make it more realistic. Let me show you something. This is a prompt I usually add. I usually add this prompt, a vibrant, expressive, animated cartoon character. I always add this prompt. Don't worry, I'll paste it in the description so that you can also copy it. When you're done with that, just put Ivan here and also put Ivan here. Then click on generate.
I look sweet, but I'm not just sugar and vibes. Vitamin C, fiber, hydration K. I'm built different.